Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple failures. Power down the Xbox and TV, unplug from wall, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect. This resets the HDMI handshake. Next, inspect the HDMI cable ends and the console port visually. Look for bent pins, dust, or wobble. Once done, swap in a known good HDMI cable and try a different TV input to confirm whether the console or the cable/display is at fault. These quick checks save time and point you to the real problem. You now perform deeper diagnostics. Start the Xbox in low-resolution mode so the display will come up if the HDMI negotiation fails. Hold power and eject during boot as instructed. If low-res works, make sure to update firmware. If not, power off, remove the HDMI cable, and carefully reseat it. Do not force it. A misaligned plug can damage pins. Look closely for heat discoloration, warped metal, or movement in the port under bright light, because these indicate internal hardware failure. You finish by stabilizing or replacing the faulty component. If the port is loose but not internally burnt, use an HDMI right angle or short adapter and a cable clamp to minimize stress. This often restores a reliable connection. If you see solder failure or burnt traces, the HDMI daughterboard or motherboard needs professional repair or replacement. If uncertain, verify with an alternate display or capture card, and only then attempt a factory reset as a last software step. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.